Hello, this is Will from JourneyWallStreet.blogspot.com. I'm here to do a trade review on a SLB day trade I made on Friday. So SLB had earnings. Reaction to earnings was good, and one of the areas I was looking at was this swing high area at swing high level at 82. And if you look on an intraday chart, you can't see my line here, but here, let me get rid of this and put it here. If you look on the intraday chart, you can see that 82 was definitely a level. So it sort of consolidated in this area for a while, and when it peaked through here, this is when I got long initially. My initial plan was to see what happens as it reaches this high. Either I would sell some or I would add. And as it was approaching that, I mean, it looked to me like a very nice ascending triangle. So I took that opportunity as soon as this candle happened. I took an opportunity and I got long just below that level. And from then on, it was just about where do I scale out. So I actually followed a rule that I had where once it breaks out a level, if it has 5 or more continuous candles, gotta sell some. So I actually sold some kind of near here. Good thing I did too, like right before the topping green candle. Good thing I did too, because it wouldn't have made another high since. So I thought that this still had a chance to go, so I actually added here with the idea of selling some into the highs, and also adding if it breaks out above it. But as I was watching this thing trade, and it will go back up to the 30s, and then it will pull back, and it kind of held right above 83 for the longest time, and then eventually it'll pick up back to the 30s, and at this point it kind of just fell flat. And I thought if it was gonna go, it had plenty of opportunities to do so. People had plenty of opportunities to add size, but it never did. So I started to get out. In this consolidation area. Then I started to get out more around here, because that's the same area that was consolidating, like around this area. And then finally I was stopped out of the rest of my position, like down here. So it kind of forewarned me that it may not go, just because of the way the price kept rejecting around the 30s, mid 30s, and it just couldn't get any leeway, even though that there was volume in some of these pushes. But that's really all for this trade. I mean, it still looks good on a daily, especially since it broke this longer term price level. In fact, it's like a multi-year high right now, and it's somewhat of a level previously. So pretty good volume, very good volume too, so maybe expect some follow through days, but definitely going to keep an eye on this 82 level. It might come into play in the coming weeks. But thank you for watching, and talk to you guys again soon.